Yeah, family. Right in camera, girl. Turkey neck stew piece boat. Land. Okay, y'all? Simply means it's a Jamaican thing, you know. All you who don't understand, it simply means the stew piece is ready. But in Jamaica, we take out the pepper. It got a little burst, and this time the green pepper, but it just burst on the top part turning up. So we don't have much of a eat. And to be honest, the green peppers are not as hot as the ripe ones. So we don't have nothing to worry about. Okay, y'all? So we're taking out our rosemary and we're going to make a stew. Okay, y'all? Turkey neck stew peas boat, land. Peas, peanuts, peas, turkey neck stood the test of time with the brown color right against the peas. Yeah, both land. Ready, we're ready. Ready like that. And you know stew peas, white rice is a must. So we're going right over here. As remember, we got the flavor and the salt perfection. Yeah, nice pieces of turkey neck. Yeah, look more peanuts, sort out the thing. Yeah, because from a stew piece we say peanuts, we want enough peanuts in it. Yeah. Hey y'all, you know, hold on there. Presentation for Debbie down a yard, it's always key. Yup. From my kitchen to yours, to your plate, to your stomach, to your family table, to your Thanksgiving table, it's turkey neck stew peas. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Enjoy. Okay? And if you have liked this turkey neck stew peas video, rugo up the like button. Give me some likes. Yeah. Continue to subscribe to the channel. Share. Continue sharing. Leave your comments below. Down in the comment section, we are going to chat about it when you all do it for yourself. Okay, y'all? Yeah. Listen to me now. Debbie down a yard. Kitchen no run me. Me run kitchen, y'all. Okay? You know that. You see. You have seen it in my videos. No food pot, no kitchen, no stove, no run Debbie. Debbie run kitchen, y'all. Okay? So, you know, so me are going to have one little piece. I'm just going to do some turkey neck for y'all, family. Let's go and taste some of the turkey neck for you. I want that far. Can't taste with spoon. I want to show you what I'm talking about when you cook it down. So, I want to get a piece of the turkey neck right in camera, girl. I want a piece of turkey neck. I take turkey neck, as you see. Okay? So, I want to show you something. This is the bone part, but I want to bite off a piece of the meat. Look at this. Sit here, put the camera right on me, I bite it off the bone. It's not easy to come off the bone, it's cooked. Let me tell you something, family. I'm going to leave for you in the description every single bit of spice and herbs that we use. Let you see if you can get it where you are and try it. The spice, a turkey neck, you know, it have to have a little spice in it, a little pepper taste. But if you're doing it for kids, you know, you got to leave out the ripe scotch bonnet pepper, because you know this would be a bit too spicy for the children. Okay, y'all, but if you can't handle the spice, it's good to go, because you know the turkey neck, it have to have the spice. Everything is like on point. And guess what? We still have a bone right there. So when we eat half the meat there, if you love bone, chew bone, and all of them something when you don't eat your soupies or something, and you have your little bone. The saka is a Jamaican thing. I mean to chew up. That's what I mean. When we say saka, we mean chew. If you love your bone, when you finish eating, please to leave comment below. Comment, come on. Now, from my kitchen once more to yours. Turkey neck stew peas. You saw me. I did it right from scratch. I remember I told you the video on how you clean your turkey neck. Get it to this. It will be right behind these turkey neck videos. Okay, you all? Love you. Love you. Love you all. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. Enjoy to the max. And remember, eat one little piece of turkey for Debbie down my yard. Okay, you all? Boop.